सिग्नेचर खंय घेता
श्री प्रवीण प्रभाकर आर्लेकर.
I, Praveen Prabhakar Allekar, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly of the State of Goa, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of the India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
कोण कशी झपली ती गळ्यात मग बांधायची हां इंग्लिश नाम आहे इंग्लिश नाम
डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टी.